think it is.
That's lightning. Oh my freaking gosh.
Listen. All right, there's absolutely no. Okay, it's March 1st. All right, Kentucky.
There's nowhere.
Look at this.
I see it. Tell me.
Look at this. March 1st. March 1st.
They got it.
It's March 1st. There's no noises. Just a lot of white flashes. Oh
It's
my
lightning.
freaking gosh.
It's lightning.
I keep saying
It's
it's lightning.
so ironically.
It's not even lightning, bro.
I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go home and eat and go to bed. I don't want anything bad to happen.
Nothing bad's gonna happen, okay? Nothing bad's gonna happen,
It's
alright?
just a flashlight.
It's called heat lightning, but there should be no heat lightning on March 1st.
Well, it is a heat lightning, though.
March
Was
1st in Kentucky.
Like, they do it in coaching, too. Like, heat lightning. Like, heat
How
coaching.
do you have heat lightning when it's like 50 degrees out?
See those people doing the car?
It's lightning.
They saw it, too. It's not lightning, it's heat
Oh
lightning.
my god.
See that? I told you. That's heat lightning.
God's trying to tell us.
Yeah, God is trying to tell us something.
Like, God.
God flashed the lights to tell me he needs help.
That's what's supposed to be.
Okay, he needs help.
Yep. There you go. You flash-
Flash the lights one time if you need help. There. Flashlight two times if you love me.
There you go. Oh, he loves you a lot.
Oh, dang.
Flash the light if you hate me.
Matthew David.
Flash the light.
Matthew.
Flash the light if the devil's in there two times.
I quit saying that word. I hate that word. If you love me,
If
God,
he's in where?
flash
really-
that light.
Yep. Devil.
Well,
Devil's in there.
obviously
Hey,
it
don't
was
say
coming
that.
again, so the devil's not in there.
God's in there, not the devil.
Well, you, right.
God, if you love me, do not heat lightning again.
God, if there's a spirit in,
Yep,
God,
he loves me.
hey God, if there's lightning in there,
It's not lightning, dog. It's heat lightning.
do lightning one time. You must do lightning first.
You know, Angel does the same thing too. She's like, I hate lightning.
Whoa,
That's what
did
she
you
says.
see that?
Mm-hmm.
That was pretty.
Okay, God, do you love me if you like the heat lightning?
He loves you.
He loves me.
He loves you a lot. Hey God,
That's why we
Listen.
went to church.
Oh, when it makes a noise like that, it means it's hitting ground. It
I'm
means that's
ready to-
actually a storm.
I'm ready to go eat.
Don't say that.
Yeah.
It's not a storm.
Drive, Grandma. Yeah. Right.
Hold on.
Why not tell me that?
Hold
No,
on.
it's not. You made that up, Bob. It's heat
Come right
lightning.
toward us.
How's this God's sign? Well, God propped that up.
God,
I
do
God.
the funny time if thunder comes.
You know God made heat light?
Oh!
Wow.
Did you see
What
that?
the heck was? I've never seen nothing like that in my life.
Because that's God's sign. You know, he made that. But actually, that is true. God made heat light.
God, if you want me to make something out of the strips of the heat light.
Well, it's going to be hot
I have
tomorrow.
a 40 megapixel camera.
It's not going to be like
42
like
actually.
this no more.
Oh my gosh. It was beautiful.
That
It's
is
so
beautiful.
But when I use my camera, it's like an old fashioned because I have so much electricity in my body that it literally pixelates my camera.
And me.
It's time to go. I'm so hungry.
I hate it. My electric field's huge and it literally pixelates my camera. Oh my freaking gosh, did you see that?
Yes.
That was awesome. Well, like it goes like across the
It's
line.
time to go on stuff.
Being the chicken.
Yeah, will you hold on?
The food might get cold.
Hold on. Nobody move. Nobody get hurt.
Bob, I want you to duck. Corey, I want you to duck.
Why?
Something bad might happen.
I'm not going to duck.
God, if something bad happens, flash the light 2 times.
I'm not sitting this way.
Guys, we might want to duck.
Oh my gosh, that was freaky.
When you start
Guys, we
saying
might
that?
Oh,
want
it's
to
getting really cold. Real cold.
Hey, God. If
Okay.
you love me,
It's
You
getting
don't
really, really
Right.
cold.
Okay, drive home. Drive home.
Corey, you got your key ready?
yep, he loves me.
You got your key ready?
Yeah, I got my key ready.
That's it.
Let's get out of here.
Leave. 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 Leave.
That's not a storm. dude.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Did you see it?
No. It was like a type of lightning.
Wow.
It's not a lightning bolt. I'll make that up.
Like something
Oh my gosh.
It's just heat lightning.
somebody's coming towards us. Like me.
Okay, stop doing that.
Somebody's coming towards us,
That's a
guys.
devilish.
It was a person. What?
No, I don't listen to that stuff anymore.
I don't let go.
I made you, but don't listen to that stuff. It ain't gonna happen. It's just heat lightning, that's all. You know where the sun came off? It's just
Oh
sun in the
my-
morning.
I know, right?
It's just heat lightning.
Oh my goodness.
You guys know lightning's my biggest fear, right?
What?
Lightning's my biggest fear.
Lightning's not your biggest
Mine
fear.
too.
I hate
And
lightning.
I'm sitting
Oh
here.
my
I'm
god.
sitting here recording because it's so beautiful.
Come on.
Okay, enough of the lightning.
It's so beautiful.
It's just heat lightning.
I'm gonna hit that.
They could, they wanted to.
Something gotta be wet gonna hit. Something
Don't say
solid
that.
red.
Don't say it.
I already did.
Yes.
It's my spoon.
That was funny, Tess.
Good one.
That sword's gonna hit you.
Corey.
It's gonna be like, boom!
Oh my gosh! Did you see that? If I would have had this on top of the car, I would have just got a brilliant, 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 brilliant
Oh shit.
Oh my
Yep,
goodness!
that's right.
Brilliant one.
lightning freaking video.
Let's get out of here, please.
That was so crazy.
Let's get out of here.
It went over the whole sky.
Don't look at
Hold
us,
on,
I'm
get back,
alive.
get back. Don't be trying to make me drive.
I don't like lightning. I hate it.
Drive.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on, one more. Let me get one more. I want to get the one like I just got. I didn't get it.
It's supposed to be hot tomorrow. It's like in the school tomorrow.
3, go.
Yeah, if I get scared my shit behind me.
1, 2, 3, go. Ready? Go.
It's gonna blow your tongue away.
Here it comes. It's coming. Right here. It's coming. I just have a feeling. Right here.
Alright now.
Here it comes. Ready, set, and bam.
Okay, I'll just run home.
Don't run home.
I would.
My arm's getting so tired of holding this up in the top of the roof.
Put the fan up there. It's gonna hit you really bad.
That's it.
I'm amazed right
No, you're
now.
not. You're gonna sit in the back.
Me?
Both of you.
I'm looking.
Whoa! Oh my gosh.
That's it.
I'm out of here. Okay, I'm running home.
Yeah, me and Koi and Bob are running home. We can't stand you. We're just gonna grab the food and leave. Right, Koi?
Oh my gosh.
I said just one more.
No.
Okay, this last one. Got it?
Last one that gets all through the sky. Oh,
Yeah,
we
that
gotta
hits
go.
us.
It's raining. Okay, that means there's a storm coming. Let's go.
Go.
Let's go.
If there's a storm, go through the river.
Let's
If
go.
it's safe,
Let's go. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here.
It's not here.
It's here. I'm getting a little nervous.
When we go home,
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Am I safe to go? Am I safe?
No one's going to hunt.
All right, let's go. 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 Look how far we got to get home, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I waited a little bit too long. Get your key. You got your key? You got your key?
Yeah, I got
Because I waited a little bit too long. I shouldn't have waited that last second.
I hate lightning. I hate tornadoes.
All right, let's go. Ready, set, and boom. We're home.
I told you it's going to rain.
bye guys. We love this lightning, but we're really scared.
I was scared of you guys.
And I can't hit that pothole. We're home.
Shaggy.
Don't.
He's under the van.
Oh, look at
He's
Gio.
probably freaking out.
He's
We're gonna have to let him in the house
Yeah.
because he's gonna freak out.